Here we go, baby. Who's ready? Who's
Who's
ready,
ready,
baby?
baby?
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
guys.
guys.
Let's
Let's go,
go. Here we
baby.
go, baby. Who's ready? Good morning, everybody. We got the echo back. I don't know what I did, but I fixed it. Good morning, William. Galactic Apes. Good morning, Banana Nuts. Good morning, Echo Apes. Good morning, baby. Here we go. We woke up, baby. We live to see another day. We live to fight again. Guys, Amazon tried to deliver the spacesuit yesterday at 1:17 p.m. Literally after the market closed when we were here. I guess I was streaming and I couldn't get the package, or I don't know what happened. So they're gonna attempt delivery again today. Yes, it's coming today, hopefully. All right, I'm gonna pull the pencil really quick. Let's see this. Give me 1 second. Good morning, MJ. Is this an actual spacesuit? No, it's not. It's like a onesie, an orange onesie. It has a couple patches. It's not. This is the way. Amazon leaves stuff in my drawer without even ringing the bell. They do that all the time. Does anyone like know why? They just take a picture of the package and they leave without knocking. Charlie, good morning. Buenos dias from Toronto. What kind of vegetables? None. I think the onion was bad. There was bad luck yesterday, guys. Futures are up. Yes, we hit that resistance level we're talking about, the 13 K mark. So let's see if we head green into tomorrow. Let's get that stimmy pump. You saw Papa Elon's tweets? Let me see. I have his notifications on. Let's see what he tweeted. Hashtag earthquake is trending on California. Was there an earthquake? Let's see, Elon Musk. There was just a SpaceX launch, right? Damn, Tesla did gap up from the triple sixes all the way to 698, almost nearly at 700 once again. Would have been a good swing play, but oh well. Let's check Fentel really quick. Alrighty, I'll pull that up for you guys really quick. AMC. Wow, this is crazy. Look, as of 14 minutes ago, 4.8 million short shares available. That's a big number. That's a big jump. Let's check GameStop. 850K as of 45 minutes ago with the fee of 1.90. One thing I don't want to see is a double bottom here on GameStop. I do not want to see that. Morning, Kayla. Good morning. Bitcoin, yeah. I think Bitcoin was slowly creeping, right? Again. But these numbers aren't always accurate. Keep in mind, it's just a sample. Because look, iBorrowDesk is probably showing something different. Let's check iBorrowDesk or AMC. 311. All right, take a look. All right, on Finto, AMC had 4.8 million. On iBorrowDesk is showing 5.2 million. So I don't know. These numbers aren't always right. Fintel themselves says it does not include data from other brokers or dark pools. It is a small sample and is useful for tracking the rise and fall in demand for shares throughout the days and weeks. Let's see. I'm on Twitter looking S3's Twitter. Let's see. He usually puts out an update for AMC. Look what he tweeted for GameStop yesterday. GameStop is still a moderate short squeeze as shorts continue to slowly close their positions. I still see it as a short squeeze candidate. He said that for GameStop yesterday. He said something for AMC. Someone send me a screenshot. I'm looking. I'm looking. Um, where is it? Where is it? He replies to a lot of people, guys. Give me 1 second. He replies to everybody that replies to him. Um, I can't find it. Ivan, good morning. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Let me see. I think he took it down. But pretty much it was, I think he said that AMC was still pretty much due for a big squeeze. I glanced at it and I was like, I'll look at it tomorrow and I can't find it right now. I cannot find it. Something about it being his like top short squeeze candidate, AMC in GameStop. I do not have any Roblox. I'm not Uncle Ralph. I don't have any Roblox now. You couldn't find it either? I don't know if he deleted it. I guess he did not like what he said, or he didn't get a good feedback from his followers. I don't know why he deleted it. Yeah, today's pre-market is not looking too promising. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of scared it might double bottom here and come down to like 200, but the pre-market is not looking too strong. But usually when we have a weak pre-market, it's followed by a spike. So let's hope that's true today. Let's see green in the market today. Uncle Tesla. Wait, what post are you talking about on Wall Street Bets? Everything should be taken with a grain of salt, but sometimes these guys have like crazy analysis. Let's take a look. I think it was the Pixel guy, right? The hates Pixel. Good morning, Michael from Indiana. Let's go. The mega threads, yeah. When this is all over, history will remember Rocket Ralph and the Castronauts. Let's see. All right, we're seeing some life here at 237. Let's see. Let's see a bounce. I don't want this to sink down under and double bottom at 220. AMC as well. Still pretty much at what we had yesterday, other than this gap up here and spike to 1132. We're still at the same level. I feel like today's going to be really volatile, really insane. Now that we have earnings and the earnings call out of the way for AMC, Spotlight is back on GameStop. Has earnings on the 25th, which is 2 weeks from now on Thursday, guys. Good morning, Raymond. I don't think I'll eat anything today. Yesterday, that onion was bad luck. 240. All right, so we're seeing a slight bounce here. Literally, AMC and GameStop are following each other right now pre-market. They're both probably going to test EMA, 1044 being AMC and 1040.85 being GameStop. Today's going to be insane. I don't know. I don't have the best feeling for today, guys, honestly. So my best closing price would possibly be above 250. We can close above 250 today, guys. We are still in the game on the 15 minute. Take a look at this. We're testing that SMA, so I don't want to come down under. I still want to keep if we're not gonna push up, let's at least consolidate. Consolidation. Find some support. Find some ground. Good morning, good morning. Um One thing I really want to do is catch a trade on Tesla. I'm just kind of missed a bow on this one. I have my alerts though, so let's see. How about that conference call? That was epic. Notice how costs also fall. Anybody here trading costs, KOSS? This one was another one that literally fell at the same time. Yeah, we got 13 minutes left. We got a little bit of time left. Damn it, Roblox. Alrighty, AMC is looking bullish. 1046 on this 1 minute candle here. I don't know what GameStop's doing. GameStop's not moving. Come on. GameStop needs to push at least to the mid 240s right now. No onion competition today, guys. For those that just came in, there's an update on Fintel. Take a look at the short shares available for AMC. 4.8 million. That's a lot. The 10 years dropping. Morning, MG. Good morning. That's also a good point. AMC needs to break free from GameStop. GameStop is holding it back. That's the thing. They're gonna tick together. We saw that yesterday. They were very close, closely moving. If GameStop did not push, AMC did not push, and when GameStop pushed above EMA, AMC also pushed above EMA. Good morning, Simple Energy. Good morning. Good morning, Dante. I don't think there'll be any more dilution actually, Raymond, for AMC. There's like more chance of there being dilution on GameStop at these prices than there is again on AMC. So I wouldn't be surprised, but there it is. We're pushing out above EMA exactly what we wanted to. We want GameStop to push to the mid 240s. There we go, 241. 242. The stonk is alive. Let's go. We got 10 minutes. And usually what we've seen is that when there's a weak pre-market and it pulling back, it shoots up. Vice versa. I've seen days where it's up pre-market and then it sells off at open. People take the profits. Yeah, Cindy, the short shares are ridiculously high on AMC. Alrighty, 240, 250. Let's get there. Let's get in there. Let's get in the mid 240s. Let's hit 245 at least. 245. Morning, Chris. Yesterday's dip, someone bought 60,000 option contracts for this week with an up to $400 strike. People who had their orders here and did not see this drop, they were probably really confused once they got triggered. Imagine that, just having a buy like at this price, and you're out and about going about your day and it says like, "Oh, your order got filled." And you're like, "What?" But yeah, there we go. We shot up to 245. We hit the little price target here on the 1 minute. As of now, we got 7 minutes left before market opens. Honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen today. If I'm being real with you guys, just buckle up and enjoy the ride. Morning, Marcos. Hey, but my heart is pumping big time. Um, I've been more nervous other days. Today's just like enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride, man. We're still pushing. We're still pushing. Let's go 245, 55, 1060s on AMC. And grab a coffee. We already got our coffee here. We got 6 minutes. Dakota, yesterday the chat was popping because we had like 5,000 viewers watching us stream the earnings. Actually, someone reached out from the LA Times, guys. So let me show you guys this. This is crazy. Someone from the LA Times was watching our stream and they said, let me find the screenshot. Here's what they said. They said, "Hey Ralph, I cover the movie business from the LA Times. Saw your live stream of the AMC earnings call on YouTube, which was really interesting. Would love to talk to you about why you love the company and the stock if you're interested in speaking." And there was an article on the LA Times as well that said that they're talking about the earnings and they're talking about day traders and how they were streaming it on YouTube and they linked our stream there. That's insane. GameStop 246. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. I just like this stock. Thank you for having me. I appreciate that. 'It's a hedgy trap. 3 minutes and 48 seconds left. Michael, you'll never time. Is there a best time to buy in day trading, or you can't really time? You'll get lucky sometimes. You'll catch the bottom. You'll sell at the top, but for the most part, you'll never sell at the very top or buy at the very bottom. Look at what we did on Tesla. We bought Tesla at 649, and it dipped all the way down to 539, and it shot back up to 700 and something, and we sold at 660. You'll never catch the top and bottom. You go to the Times interview, and it's Kramer. My eyes are feeling better with these glasses. They help out a lot. We got 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Let's go. I'm getting a little nervous now, actually. I'm not gonna lie. 2 minutes and 30. This is one thing as well, guys. So the lower highs we have to watch out for. This is why I don't want to test the bottom here. Look at this pattern here, descending triangle. It could break down under 200. I don't want that. We do not want that. If it can at least consolidate, if GameStop could trade sideways today, it could be boring. I'll be happy. Kramer is setting up a trap. You guys are funny. Futures. Let's take a peep. A little toppy here at this price action. I'm not liking it. But then again, tomorrow I think we can see green. We got that stimmy pump coming. So come on, GameStop. Let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. But my best play today would probably just to be trade sideways. If we can see any push above, that's a huge win. But let's hold some support. Hold some support. 44 seconds. Here we go. Uh, is it a coincidence that Hedges dumped GameStop around 12:30, 11:30, 12? No. It's always at the same time, midday, same time they come with these short attacks. At the same, and then GameStop, AMC, and KOSS, same time they fell. They got halted. Except AMC. AMC did not get halted. Let's go. Market open. Oh, I'm nervous. Pretty strong candle here on AMC. Alrighty. I'm loving this so far. Come on. But the thing is, we've been noticing on GameStop is when we have these aggressive candles, look at this, from 240s to 250s almost, it's followed by a pullback. Like AMC, like this candle here. This is what I'm afraid of. Catch yourself now. Find some support at 1050s. Oh, it's not looking too great. This candle's not looking too great. Ooh, that bounce there. That bounce there is there. Come on. But we still have this trend line here, guys. Keep in mind we have this trend line here. So if we push to 270s, we have to break above. We cannot afford to come down and have that descending triangle pattern form on us. Alrighty, that GameStop push. Come on. Come on, AMC, push. GameStop's pushing, guys. See, this happens quite consistently. We have a pullback pre-market and then it shoots up. But when we have the opposite, it running pre-market, it dumps. The opposite. Did it just okay, I thought it got halted for a second. 260s. All right, we're gonna test that trend line we have here at 268. Don't pull back now. And just manifest it. All right, here we go. Prepare yourself for the red candle. Usually we have an aggressive pullback on the candle, guys. So let's see. Yesterday we were bouncing, literally bouncing at the top of the candle at the highs. That strength, is it there today? Let's see. It's pulling back. Okay, EMA is still at 246. Alrighty, 260s once again. This is exactly what I'm talking about, baby. That strength is there. Come on. Keep going with that momentum. The trend line is here at 267, 268, maybe even 270. So let's see. Let's see how strong we push towards those numbers, that resistance. AMC slowly also following at 1070s. Got my second free stock from Webull. They gave me AR. Surprised they didn't give you WPF. 1080s. Let's go to $11 today on AMC. Come on. Let's see the 5 minute. How's the 5 minute looking on AMC? Similar to GameStop. I'm not gonna lie. Still consolidating. Again, if we can consolidate today, any push above 11, any push above 270s for me on GameStop is a win. So the main key for me today is support. Finding support levels, guys. $261. Okay, this is where it's looking a little toppy here. These pullbacks on AMC are aggressive, guys. We have some pretty strong pushes, but as well as on the downside, the pullbacks are pretty aggressive. Testing EMA here at 1060, so we're pretty much almost flat. Let's see. There's a pullback. There's that pullback 255. So if this does come down like AMC, it's possibly going to come down to test 250s, which is that $0.50 mark we were fighting yesterday midday. Tyler, thank you for the dono. I appreciate that. Once again, you guys don't have to donate, but truly grateful for that donation. Yeah, weekly is expired tomorrow. Damn, AMC is pulling back still. So now we're pretty much going to rely on higher lows. We're still trying to find some support. I'm still not convinced. It's still 6 minutes into the market open. We still got time. There is still time left. We still don't know where these stocks are going to hold. Not surprised. GameStop is testing the whole dollar mark here at 250. Breaking down slightly. AMC still pulling back. Good morning, Christopher. Tyler, I appreciate the dono, man. Spacesuit, yeah, it's coming in later. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You guys don't have to donate, guys. Just drop a like on the video. That's all we ask for. Do you honestly think people are selling off that aggressively? No. Hedge funds are dropping the price. Exactly what just happened yesterday. That wasn't us selling, guys, yesterday. That midday crash we had, that was the big boys. Yeah, Victoria says there's no way retailers are doing this to AMC. Absolutely, I agree. There's no way. It's like we're in the midst of a battle between two people. So now we're pretty much again trying to find supports. I'm not convinced we have found support yet on AMC. Maybe on GameStop 250s. It's still struggling there, but let's see where we hold off. Patience, patience. We got a long trading day ahead of us. It's still pulling back. Might test $10 or the SMA here, but still, we still have that upward momentum. Let's keep that upward momentum on the pattern here on the 15 minute. 1017. That's what scares me here on whole numbers like this when it gets really close. When it's like a 1013, it's easier to gravitate towards that whole number. Tesla, what are your thoughts? I'm a dip buyer on Tesla, so I'll pretty much wait. You have to watch, you have to make sure you watch the overall market as well. How's Nasdaq? Barely, barely green. I'll wait on Tesla actually. Morning, good morning. I've got my buddy hooked onto your channel. He's watching. Shout out to your buddy MJ. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. Yeah, there's a solid wall here. Solid support at 1017. So let's see if we can hold that level. Pulling back 1015. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Let us turn up the beat says, good morning. I'm totally okay if we dip on GameStop. We need to buy more shares than them. That's our goal, right? I'm not sure what you mean by that. So we're still battling here on GameStop, guys, at 250. AMC struggling here at 1017, 1020, but if we see a bounce here back to like 256 on GameStop, hopefully that increases a push here on AMC back to the mid 240s, maybe even 1040s, I'm sorry, or 1050s. I appreciate that, Travis. Should we take up on that, guys? An LA Times interview? Talk about AMC. All right, there it is. 254 again. This is what I want to see, consolidation and strong bounces on GameStop. Let's not pull back today. One of the best things we can do is just trade solid, consolidate. Crab, let's have a crab. Just trade sideways. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, AMC seeing signs of support here. Might be a slight push to 1040s. Do you expect a sideways day today? Um, it's still a long day based off the drop we came off yesterday. Let's pull up the 5 minute. We're still in this bearish pennant, this bearish descending triangle here on the 15 minute after this drop here. But if you look at the bigger picture, we're still on the uptrend. One thing I would hate is for it to come down at this price at 220s. If it does, I think it could easily crack. That's the thing. We have to push above 260s. This reminds me of back when we were over here, guys. Right here in the 120s. There was one day where we pulled back really aggressively and I did not like it. But for the most part, we traded sideways. We still had the momentum and then it broke out. So I feel like we're seeing the same pattern here again on GameStop. Today will be wild. Prepare yourselves. Yeah. Again, midday. Watch midday when it starts to get a little slow. Or in yesterday's case, when GameStop was pushing and it was up for like 40%. Wait, watch for those short attacks. Let's check iBorrow Disk. I'm interested what iBorrow Disk has. 5.4 million for AMC. It's refreshing. So there's a double bottom here at 1014. This is not necessarily the best situation, as well as GameStop still struggling here at 1050. It's pulling back to 1040, 245. I don't want this to get halted either. Oh, it's pulling back aggressively. Damn, man. So GameStop short shares available went up slightly to 900K. This is the pullback on AMC we saw yesterday before it got halted. Aggressive red candle. So far it's bouncing. This is good. It's bouncing. So we're back at this pre-market level here. Let's check AMC. AMC still showing as of 21 minutes ago, 5.2 million. Yeah, that's possibly going to be one of the key levels for GameStop, right around 230s. That's the first level, the first strong level of support we have, right around the 230s, guys. So let's see what we got. Short sales on AMC. It's showing 5.2 million. iBorrow Desk is showing the same thing. Actually, no, it's showing 5.4 million. See, it's still pulling back, guys, aggressively. We're gonna test at 230s right now. It's still bouncing. So this is the same thing what happened last week. We had slight pushes at market open, and then we got rejected off EMA and had that short, that ladder pattern forming. We couldn't break past the lower highs, and it kept on pulling back. So that's what we're seeing right now. The thing is, like I said, let's consolidate. Let's find some support. Let's not pull back any further. Uh, Chain, this is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. There's a video in the description below. I talk about how to open it up and set it up so you get the exact same look and feel. I expect there will be a lot of hedgy today. Yeah, there will. Space Kitty says everyone I know is holding and buying AMC. This is not us guys selling. This is not us. I'm telling you, we're in the middle of a battle between these hedge funds, these institutions. Those guys are the ones really moving the stock. Honestly, I don't think us buying GameStop has a lot to do with the price movement on the upside or downside. Like we're in the middle. We're just enjoying the roller coaster, guys. Honestly, yesterday or that push we had to when we were up like 40%, there's a lot of big institutions on our side. So we got kind of lucky. I'm not gonna lie, we got kind of lucky. And the thing is with too is the stop losses. The stop losses at 300 were triggered. That's what causes the panic and the halts to happen. like consecutively, repeatedly. That's why the first time around back in January we saw like four halts in such a small time frame. I don't know. I'm kind of scared to touch IPOs, especially Roblox. I did not touch Airbnb. I did not touch DoorDash. Yeah, that's a huge number of shorts. So I'm kind of confused on Fintel, showing 5.2 million. Keep in mind that's still a small sample, so no one really truly knows the number. Here it is, GameStop. We're strongly still bouncing. The bounces are still there. It looks like people are still buying the dip. The dip is still being bought out. So one of the best things we can do, it's like we're fighting that red and green on the percentage on the day, is trade sideways. That's one of the best things we can do for GameStop today, coming off the massive drop from the 300s yesterday. AMC as well, finding some support here on the mid 1015s. Let's see if we can curl up. Let's cup and handle back to 1050s. Let's see a 1050 push right now. All right, so we were talking about this pattern here on GameStop, the lower highs here that we've been seeing last week as well. So don't get fooled here. It might test EMA as it's doing now. It might get rejected. It might pull back. It might push up to like 1048 and still pull back. So the key is higher lows, and if not, consolidation. That's what we want today. Uh, we really running out here at 12.5K subs deep. Yeah, thank you guys so much for 12K subs. We're almost at 13K subs. We're halfway there, so I appreciate everybody. Truly do. Thank you guys so much. We have the best community here. Yeah, keep in mind all these institutions and hedge funds, guys, they're in business. They're trying to take each other out. That's what it is. All right, there it is, 245. We're seeing that slight push. But again, the first time around we hit 254, we immediately pulled back. I've seen this before, so I'm not gonna get my hopes up and call this a reversal. Let's get confirmation of that reversal, finding higher support levels. Let's see a 1047. Okay, okay. We're still there, pretty much there at that resistance there, which happens to still be the SMA on the 1 minute. AMC, cup and handling. Let's get it. Let's go to 250. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see that push here. 1040s. Okay. 1047.50 on GameStop. How many WPF you think you'll get today? Let's check. Let me see. So if you guys do use Webull, the link down below, we both get free stonks, and Webull just made me the CEO of WPF by giving me unlimited shares of WPF. Let's see. All right, this is what I'm talking about. Here we have the pullback here. The resistance is pretty much apparent still here at 247, which happens to be the lower highs. Patience, patience, patience. I still don't see a sign of a reversal. Let's see where we find that real support at. All right, we got three stocks to claim. Let's do this really quick. Three free stonks. Look at this. Webull just gave me WPF all all throughout yesterday. Let's see it. Please don't give me. If this gives me three WPF shares, I don't know what I'm gonna do. All right, all right. We got two more. Yeah, L's in the chat, man. L's in the chat. I'm disappointed in Weeble. Alrighty, we're still there on GameStop. 240s, AMC as well, pushing on that second candle after the slight pullback to EMA at 1040. Let's see 1050s, baby. Cup and handle for us. Come on. Yeah, WPF is a sign. World Primate Foundation. Watch that stock go to $100, guys. Watch WPF just shoot up. Why no MACD or RSI? I don't use any other indicators. I'm a simple guy. I keep it simple. I use two indicators, the SMA and the EMA, exponential moving average, simple moving average, set at 13 for the EMA and 200 for the SMA, all explained in the video down below in the description, how to set up Thinkorswim. But yes, there is a bajillion indicators you can use out there. To me, less is more. Keep it simple. Don't get confused. I see people with RSIs, MACDs, Bollinger Bands, so many things. It's just like, it's just too much. It's just too much. But whatever works for you guys. If it works for you, go ahead, do it. I'm not telling you to switch, but to me, it's just more confusing. All right, this is what I'm talking about. I'm not too sold yet on this reversal here. We're still holding around 245. If it does come down, I'd say I'd love for it to hold at least 240, 242. Same thing for AMC. If it doesn't hold EMA, let's at least hold a 1020 level. Ralph, you weren't wearing glasses yesterday. Can we still trust your technical analysis if you couldn't see charts? It wasn't that I couldn't see, it was that the light, the ring light, and just staring at screens, I don't know, it's my eyes were burning. It was giving me a headache, so. Does this make me look like a hedgie? Like I own part of Melvin? It makes me look like a financial advisor, right? What happened when the FINRA report came out on Tuesday after the market closed, showing 50%, if I'm not mistaken, short interest for GameStop, and it was at 60% before. Do I believe it? Absolutely not. And for AMC, it was at 16%, I think, and it went up to 19. How many WPF do you have? I don't know. Alrighty, GameStop is trying to convince us here that it's holding at 247 above EMA. I'm pretty surprised. So let's see another leg up. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. That's exactly what I'm talking about. We're breaking past the lower highs. We're still in the game, guys. We're still at the same trading range in the 250s. If it holds above 250 and it closes above 250 today, that's a dub for me. So let's see it. Let's see it. Push, baby. There it is. Daddy's leading the way. AMC's following. You look like the CEO of WPF. That's what I'm talking about, GameStonk. I'm kind of interested. WPF stock CEO. Come on, GameStop. 256. I love that push. $10.57. Okay, okay. 10.58. 10.50. I'm losing the numbers, guys. 2.58. I love to see 10.50 on AMC. So far we've been having that cup and handle here on the 1 minute forming. That's pretty good. Oh my gosh, GameStop, the strength is there at 260s, guys. Let's go, baby. Yeah, these are of Amazon. These are the blue light. These are not like prescribed glasses. These are like two for $7. You got a pair for like $7. But I highly recommend, guys, take care of your eyes, 100%. If you're gonna be staring at candles and crayons all day, take care of your eyes. The push is alive, yes. So we had this slight resistance here I was scared of. I wasn't convinced of confirmation of a reversal, but these crayons here, these four consecutive green crayons occurring right now convinced me of a reversal. Let's hold above 250. Tell your grandkids about this moment, record it. It is on YouTube. Everything's documented. 10 years from now, I'm gonna look back at these streams and be like, look what we did. Look what the apes did. The chat is also gonna be live. So you guys are part of history here. We're all part of history. 264 on GameStop. Let's go, baby. Again, let's not get a little excited. Remove this trend line. Zoom out. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. On the 5 minute, we have that slight resistance here. If it does break above 277, we are in the game. But till then, let's be patient. It can also pull back. The key here is going to be higher lows as well as AMC. So let's be patient. Guess what's back, baby? Guess what's back as well. So we'll save this ammunition for later. Let's be a little patient. Echo, baby. How do I buy half a stock? You mean fractional shares? Honestly, I was more happy with the free stocks that Robinhood was giving me than Webull. Webull is just like trolling me right now. No onions at 300. Yesterday the onions went wrong. I'm talking from a spaceship. Yep. The echo scares Kramer away. No, yesterday Amazon tried to deliver the suit, guys, but we were streaming during power hour. It was after the market closed, and I guess it failed to deliver, just like these shorts here on GameStop. They failed to deliver. It's funny how life works, right? We love the FTD. What's the reason for AMC and other meme stocks following GameStop? So GameStop was initially that first stock, went viral, it went all over social media, and other distressed businesses that got hit by the pandemic, such as AMC, started to follow. So ever since then, they've been trading together. Even just like on Wall Street Bets, when I don't think I can say the word on YouTube, but the stonks, um, Sundial, TLRY, APHA, Cron, S Sundial, SNDL. What's another one? OGI, APHA, all those they ran together. They move in sectors. They move in sectors like that. And it's like a small sector we have here with the quote unquote meme stonks, GameStop, BlackBerry, Nokia, AMC. So they're all going to move together. You guys remember the shipping sector Drys? DRYS? That stock had a massive push of like 120. That was my first initial massive short squeeze that I saw. I remember I was in high school. I was confused. That was my first ever, and I did not FOMO it as well. But it went from like $3 to like 160 in like 2 days. That was my first ever like massive push squeeze I saw. And GameStop is the second one, and this one's 10. This is like 100 times the magnitude of that, just because of social media. And look at this. We have a 270 push. We are breaking above that resistance. The stonk is alive. We're green on the day. AMC is green. We're cup and handling here. We manifested it. We've envisioned it. It's happening now. 1055. Now let's complete this massive push to 1080. Here's where it starts to get a little volatile. We're in for the rise. So we have a triple top, guys. Take a look. We have that resistance here. So let's break past that resistance first. But again, don't be surprised if it does pull back. I kind of want to see if somebody remembers that. The Dries push. The shipping sector. There was a couple other stocks. It was Dries, and I don't remember the other two stocks that ran with it, but they all moved together. If someone finds out those stocks that ran together on the shipping sector, I'll love you forever. I don't remember. Yeah, Snoop stocks. I can't say that word because YouTube, I guess, like it censors the video. It already did to my that video I did on those stonks, the Snoop stonks. It censored it. I don't know why. They don't like us. Tops, yes, Stefan, tops. Wait, was it Tops? Tops shipping. Tops. I believe it was. It was Tops, Dries, and another one. One more. It was Tops. Yeah, it was Tops, and there was one more. One more. It was Dries, Tops, and one more. So right now the strength is there above EMA. So guys, yesterday we ran for 40 minutes or so without crossing under EMA, without pulling back. This spike here started at 6:55, like 8 minutes ago. So the strength is there. We have not come down under EMA. Let's use that EMA. Let's bounce off of that EMA. It wasn't VIPS. Buzz, no. Ship. Was it ship? I don't remember seat time. I don't know. It might have been ship actually, yeah. But it was those three that ran in a sector. The point being here is that they run and move in sectors. So this sector, I guess what you could call it the meme songs. Dries, Tops, and Ship. Yes, it was those three. That was such an epic, but that was my first ever epic push that I saw. I was literally confused. 1052. Okay, let's try to hold 1050 on AMC. Let's see. So GameStop, it's testing the strength here. And look at this. We have consecutive green candles, only one red candle here on the pullback. So let's see how strong that push is. We're slightly above that lower high line. Now we're going to back to retest that resistance here at 280. Oops. Yeah, Michael, I started trading penny stocks. I didn't have a lot of capital back then. So what do? You trade the cheapest stocks. That's another thing why AMC is a lot appealing. It was at $2.50. And thinking as a new trader, you have a couple $100,000, not 100,000, but like 1 or 2K. You're like, I could buy more shares. More shares means more profit if it moves, right? That's the way I thought. Stefan says he made a ton of money on tops. Yeah, congrats. Yeah, that push was epic. And look at the stock now. That's the thing with like penny stocks. Probably not even listed anymore. Dries, tops. That $2, it was tops. Yep. Take a look at that. After all the splits it has, it's not even moving anymore. It's done. Nostalgic memories, nostalgic memories. As deep F in value is an AMC? I don't think he is. Alrighty, so far so good on GameStop, guys. It's at 268. We're still holding above EMA. That strength is there. One thing I love to see is a 280 push to break past that resistance. Show us the stonk is alive. Show us the stonk is alive, guys. Stefan, that will they will run again. That's the thing, guys. That's the thing. That's the thing. I have not lost hope on GameStop, and once that's that I learned a lesson on when Dries and all this shipping sector ran. It's called former runners. People remember these stocks, guys. That's why GameStop is so deadly now. With social media growing, people see GameStop running, they're like, oh, it's a former runner. It's ran in the past. So if Dries runs, I'll be like, oh my gosh, that stock ran before. I want to trade that again. That's why there's so much attention here. But one thing GameStop is not doing too well it's on the media. People are not covering this push. Well, I haven't seen any articles of GameStop being up like that. It's not as it was back in January. They're not talking about it. They don't want to talk about it. They're only talking about it when it pulls back. And yesterday I saw an article that said that they called the pullback before it happened. I don't know if that's true, but I wouldn't doubt it. I'm not gonna do a backflip, Ragnar. You always come saying me to do a backflip. Yeah, the media sucks. Marquise or Marquez. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. Says, good morning. I can hear your voice in my sleep, Ralph. Let's go. You guys are funny. Good morning. Welcome back. Testing 1050 here off the EMA on AMC. That strength is there on GameStop. It looks like it's about to break out. Let's go, baby. 280. We're breaking past that resistance. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys see this? What does this look like? Someone tell me, what does this look like? It's forming, guys. It looks like it's what? So we're breaking past that resistance. Yes, baby. All right, AMC, follow along. Follow along. GameStop is pushing. 26 million volume? A W? No. Nope. Not head and shoulders. Yep, Daniel, cup and handle. A cup and handle. New highs are not a meme. Yeah. All right, so it's pulling back. Let's see where we hold. Let's see where we find some support. Is it still strong? Is it still going to bounce off EMA? Yesterday we had 40 minutes, guys, of non-stop upward momentum. We did not cross EMA until we had that disgusting halt. Love the comment. I appreciate you, Edgar. I appreciate you. Welcome. Garlic at 300. It's not going to be good luck. All right, AMC has cracked under EMA. Once again, the key is now holding higher lows. Let's see it. GameStop is looking a little toppy here at 271. This almost reminds me of the drop we had yesterday when I got halted. So let's try to avoid any massive red candle. Yesterday that red candle dragged us all the way down to like market open levels. It was crazy. I had a dream last night and it was Ralph saying new highs are not a meme. Daniel. All right, all right. Testing EMA 271 on GameStop. AMC is trying to find some support here at 1040, which again indicates that uptrend, baby. So we need. Brian says if GameStop is over 300 today, I'm selling because if the hedgies do the thing again, I'll buy the dip again and do it again. So did you guys notice that it almost fell at the exact same price that it did when it was back in January? Almost the exact same price it fell from. Except this time the dip wasn't as aggressive than the first time. I think the first time there was definitely more attention. That's why more panic happened. Fred says my wife keeps asking who Ralph is. No, I'm not Colombian. All right, looks like we might come down under EMA here. Take a look at the 5 minute. Where's that EMA at? 5 minute EMA is at 256. Once again, that push here up here gave us a little bit cushion to fall and pull back. So 262. Can we hold the SMA here? 262, baby. Come on. Hold for us. But I do love that it broke slightly past that resistance here. We had that market close high at 276 and that pre-market high at 277. So we're pretty much still in the game. I don't know who Henry is. How's futures? Let's take a look. Pretty choppy still. Tesla's not looking too bullish here. Let's set an alert. Set an alert on this. All right, GameStop. Back to the 270s. Good morning. Welcome. 1050s again on AMC. So we're still pretty much there, guys. Holding the trend line, holding the support. Tesla. Alrighty, let's see. I'm interested. I'm interested. We're both green. Both stocks are green here on the day. Tesla's dropping. Did futures just pull back out of nowhere? Yeah, slightly red candle. Tesla is dropping. Tesla, I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you, bad boy. Alright, print me some tendies now. Let's see it bounce to 684. Come on. If it does drop, we buy more. Kitty tweeted? Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Alright, let me see. Let me buy. Alright, let's check out his tweet. Let's check out his tweet. Oh, Tesla's bouncing. He tweeted. Let's see what he tweeted, guys. He tweeted Bart Simpson. What? Let me see. What? I'm kind of confused. Whale versus hedge fund? That's what I was thinking. But then again, I would expect him to like show another person in there. The institutions versus the hedge funds. Makes sense, but are we just like watching it? Is that what he's trying to like imply? That's very interesting. Apes versus hedgies? No, I don't think it's us, guys. I'm telling you, I don't. We're here enjoying the ride. We're in the midst of a epic battle between these institutions and hedgies. Yeah, we are on the sidelines, guys. We're lucky that these guys are on our side. These guys are in their business to take each other out. I'm liking the AMC price action here as well as GameStop is slowly creeping up above EMA for both AMC and GameStop. The key here is to holding there, hold there, hold there. 100%, yeah. Zero Hedge tweeted GameStop 800 calls in play. Tesla's still falling, damn it. Alrighty, let's see Tesla. Tesla's probably going to come down and close that gap here at 667. be patient. Patience, patience, patience. Good morning. Good morning, Pony Alex. Wow, Tesla's sinking. AMC still pulling back slightly while GameStop is still trying to close above EMA here at 272. Let's see where AMC holds some support at. Maybe 1030s? Let's see, let's see. Yep, and Elon we trust. Strong pullback to 1030 on AMC. GameStop as well. I'm not closing above EMA here on this candle. It might pull back. How's the 5 minute? Where's the EMA? EMA on the 5 minutes at 257. Pretty much still waiting for that bounce, guys. Supposedly Elon tweeted and deleted. No, I have his notifications on. I didn't get anything. Elon Musk. Did he tweet the price is too high now or what? No, he didn't tweet. Let's check the replies. He might have tweeted and deleted. GameStop is dumping, guys. It's pulling back. Nasdaq also as well pulling back. Interesting. So we still have some room for pullback here on GameStop. We're pretty much waiting to see where this finds some support. It looks like it might find some support here at 260, which happens to be the previous resistance. Let's see, let's see. We're waiting for that first sign of the initial bounce. Patience. So it's still fighting there. Went red on the day. AMC is still barely green, so let's see if we hold. Let's check Fintel. Any update on Fintel? No, no update for AMC. Let's check GameStop. No update as well. Is it going to catch itself here at 260s again? Let's see. I'm kind of waiting for that first green candle on the EMA. On the 5 minute, I'm sorry, at the 5 minute. Let's wait, let's wait. Alrighty, AMC. Higher lows. Let's confirm that. Let's confirm that as well as GameStop. Hold yourself at 260. No, I can't find any tweeted and deleted tweet for Elon. You gotta stop with the higher lows. Is this not what it is? Is this not a higher low here at 1080 and then at 1026? At 1007, I'm sorry, at 1026. It's bouncing. This was the key last week as well. Yeah, we talked about that. Luke, did you see the article? MarketWatch uploaded an article about GameStop dipping 40% before it dipped. I don't know if that's true, but I wouldn't doubt it. The yellow line is the SMA, simple moving average. I would not, Marks. All right, we're back at 260s for GameStop. Let's see, is that the first green candle on the 5 minute? Nope. Depends on the shampoo. Yeah, we saw Roaring Kitty's tweet already. I would not drink shampoo, guys. An onion, tomato, cool, it's one thing, but not shampoo. So we're seeing rejection on both AMC and GameStop at the EMA here. Patience, patience. This might be a sign of support here at 260s around the 259 level. Let's wait and see. Again, we're pretty much fighting on the day. We're going from red to green. Now we're back red. AMC once again testing EMA, baby. Push. Watch GameStop. Once again, we're coming for that EMA. We're coming for you. There we go. There we go. 264 testing. AMC. Nice little small gap up here at 1039 on this candle. Good morning, Daniel. No, I don't use any other indicators, guys. I keep it really simple. Um, Up to you guys. Other indicators might work for you guys. If they do, do it, man. Like, don't just because I use two indicators and I keep it simple, it doesn't mean you have to do it. If it's working for you, by all means, double down on what's working in life, not just indicators. If it's working for you, double down. What time frames are you using on candles? 1 minute. 1 minute is 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait, what are my favorite ones? 1 minute, the 15 and the 4 hour. Those are my favorite ones. So usually for bounces, you go off the 5 minute. You know how we're talking about earlier on the green candle, the 5 minute? We're waiting for that first green candle on the 5 minute. Here it is bouncing off EMA. So it's beautiful. Beautiful pattern and chart going on so far. How's Tesla? I forgot I had Tesla. It's pretty bad. Not gonna lie. Alex, I appreciate that. I guess I'm gonna double down on watching the videos twice a day. No, you don't have to just watch them once. You're fine like that. What program are you using? Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. Double down on what's working in life, quote of the day. Yeah, double down, guys. If something's working. There's a saying that goes, if it's not broken, why fix it? All right, pretty ugly small red candle here, but again, we're still in the game. Thoughts on Ricky Gutierrez? I love Ricky. I met him like a couple times here in LA when he was out here. We actually raced one time when he had his GTR. But yeah, his he loves Tesla as much as I love Tesla. Tesla's like our go-to. He understands the Tesla momentum. He feels the stonk. Ricky feels the stonk. He's such a good trader. I think he bought like $1 million worth of Tesla, and he we had the same thesis, a strong bounce, and we saw that bounce. I think he took profits, hopefully. But yeah, I like the guy. 1030s on AMC. Not necessarily where I wanted to be trading. I'd rather have a breakout of 1050s and continue the upward momentum. But on a day like this where we had that massive drop yesterday, like we said earlier, consolidation. That's what we want. Jack Johnson, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the community. It looks like GameStop might push back to test that trend line at 265. Let's see it. Let's see it. Such a weird pattern here on GameStop, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's such a weird level to hold here. What's the volume on AMC or GameStop? I don't know. There's an analyst, I think his name was like Richard Greenfield. He put a price target for AMC at a penny. Like, I don't know what he's on, but I want to be on the same thing. I don't know. A penny? Are you kidding me? I feel like these guys are like down a lot, shorting the stock, and they just what is that quote that goes like desperate times lead to desperate measures, desperate times lead to desperate thoughts and ideas. I don't know, man. I have Trade Trays on my iPad and you on my phone. It looks like he is viewing you on one of his windows. Wait, what? I appreciate that, Camilla. So AMC is actually pulling back. We're still pulling back, guys. We did not hold the higher lows here at 1025. Um, let's remove this trend line here. GameStop is still slightly hanging in there at 260. Will they follow AMC on it pulling back? Let's see. It's still dropping, still pulling back. That's not double bottom. Hold yourself, hold yourself. This almost looks like a head and shoulders pattern here forming. Jim, welcome. Thank you. Good morning, Gilbert. Good morning, welcome. All right, slightly catching itself here. So, not as much momentum as we saw yesterday, obviously, but I think that can change power hour. I think that's going to change later on, guys. So, that's one of the reasons I want to consolidate. I appreciate you. Welcome. It was a metaphor. Let's check Tesla. Oh, Tesla's pushing, baby. Let's go. Our future's ripping or what? Yeah, things started to heat up a little bit later. As of now, we saw this morning pullback. We had a potential rebound here at 1060s, but we're pulling back, still holding the 10, 15, 10, $20 mark. Let's hold some support. GameStop is still there, guys. It has not given up. Kathy Wood bought, yeah, I heard she bought Roblox. 500,000 shares of Roblox. Let's see. Let's check Finso. Update for GameStop as of 10 minutes ago. 850,000 short shares available for AMC. Let's refresh it. Last update was 58 minutes ago. Actually, no, it updated 10 minutes ago. 4.9. It went down a little bit. Fee is still 6.98. GameStop is still in there, guys. It is still slightly pushing at 263, so we are not giving up on GameStop. AMC is still catching some support. Let's see a rebound. Let's see it. Roblox. Let's take a look. What is it at? 71. Welcome back, Jen. What are you talking about not giving up? I don't know what you mean. I'm not giving up. I said that we're still in here on this analysis, technical analysis. We're not pulling back under 260. It still wants to push upward, and this candle here at 263 gives us hope that there might be a push to like 270s. Let me see 270, baby. Let me see 270. Come on. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. 267. Come on. GameStop's largest strike moves to 800. What to expect? Let's take a read. Let's read that real quick. Yes, I bought some Tesla. Hmm. Welcome, V. New to the stream, like and subscribe. Welcome. All right, so we saw a small spot here at 267. Pulling back slightly, testing EMA, patience, patience. I could kind of see this ascending triangle forming. So let's try to hold above 260s. Slowly creep up and then break out past 270. So patience, patience, give it time. You want any Super League Gaming? What is that? SLGG, right? No, I have GMBL. Turned off CNBC to save my cable bill. Alrighty, this is what I'm talking about. I still see that push coming. I still see that ascending triangle forming. As for AMC, we need to hop back up to 1040s. There's that candle. Yes, I see it. I see it. We envisioned it in our smooth brains. Come on. You're right there, baby. 269. Come on, market makers. You're watching this. Give us that push. It was so close. Literally hit 270.01. Our alert's at 270.28. So technically we did hit 270. But our alert is a little higher above 270. So let's see it. There's that second green candle. Is it going to give us this push here? Don't come down to test EMA. AMC is slowly moving. Yes, baby. Above 270. We're moving. Tesla's also moving. Should we sell Tesla? Absolutely. Take your profits and run. Alrighty, AMC. The only thing I'm worried about AMC, guys, is that resistance line we have going on here. Yeah, this is the first red candle on the pullback testing EMA. Let's see it. All right, we're still there, guys. We're still there at 269. AMC slowly creeping back up here. Test 240s. I think hedges would let us see $10 tomorrow. I'm not sure what you mean. We're at 1032 right now. Kind of confused. Guys, we have to push past 280. That was the initial resistance we had after that bounce here yesterday after the halts. Was it right around 280s? We're not that far from there. We are not that far from there. Tyler Chambers, thank you for the dono. He says paper hands. I appreciate the dono, man. You do not have to donate. You guys don't have to donate. You guys know what we want. We want 420 likes on the stream. That's all we want. 420, baby. Only 108 likes away from 420. Let's go, GameStop 271. We're there. We're there. We're so close to the highs. Let's push. All right, AMC looks like it's about to test that resistance here. We're moving. We're moving. We're cup and handling. Let's go. Let's go. 275. This green crayon is getting me a little excited here. 275. The volume's coming in. Morning, Will. We're back again. Yeah, we're in the game still, guys. We're still here. The game has not stopped. 275. Alrighty. I'm kind of disappointed AMC is not moving how I wanted it to. Stroke the candle, yeah. Oh, 277. Come on. Look at the 1 hour, guys. If this isn't bullish, I don't know what is. If they try to take us down and they couldn't, we're still in the game. AMC, no, AMC's still getting rejected, guys. It's still looking a little weak here. We need a stronger push. I don't know why it's not following GameStop right now. Not too sure why. This push still here looks a little promising at 274. If we do pull back, let's hold above 270 on the EMA here at 269. So let's follow that push we had yesterday. No pullbacks under EMA for 40 minutes. That was insane. Yeah, I'm scared for midday attacks again. Gary, would I be surprised? No. I don't know why AMC is not pushing. It doesn't make sense to me. Since it was following GameStop so closely earlier as we were on this bounce here. We had the similar bounce. Except right now it's like we're getting rejected here. We're seeing resistance. Just got a free AMC stock through Webull. Yeah, Webull was giving free AMC shares yesterday or throughout the week. A lot of people have been getting them. You guys know what we've been getting. WPF. Let's check Fintel. What does Fintel got for us? Any updates? No update. Last update was 22 minutes ago with 850,000 short shares available for GameStop. AMC is showing 23 minutes ago, 4.9 million, down from 5.2 million. Here comes GameStop with the second push leg up after bouncing off EMA. Can we see that strength we saw yesterday? No pullbacks under EMA on GameStop for like 40 minutes. We started this here at 7:36, so we're in a couple minutes to see if the strength is there. Let's push in new highs. Come on. Yeah, LA theaters are opening up, I believe, next week, if I'm not mistaken. All hail WPF. GameStop short percent or the short interest fee is at 1.90. Again, with the grain of salt, no one really knows what the fee is. I do not know why. Yeah, it's not a good feeling. AMC is not following GameStop as it has been. Apart from this small spike here on this candle at 1033, I would expect this to break out to like 1050s. Yeah, WPF is going to the moon. Watch. I'm telling you, it's a sign from the universe. The new all-time high is not a meme. Yeah, a new high is not a meme. You guys know the saying. Oh, is Tesla still pushing? No, it pulled back. All right, AMC is now again testing that resistance. Let's break above, baby. There it is. Yes, it's pushing above. Let's go. All right, slowly creeping above that resistance. That's what I love to see. Let's remove this line here. All right, it's possibly gonna pull. See how it's getting a little volatile here after it broke out? If it does pull back, let's hold 1030s. Slowly but surely, let's staircase up. GameStop is struggling slightly here at 276. Uh, Mark, thank you so much for the donation. Gift card fund. Yeah, guys, we give gift cards here away on the daily giveaways. So yesterday we had a lot of donations yesterday. So all these are for you guys. So thank the donators, guys. You guys, thank you for supporting the community. Thank you so much. Look at this volume and volatility on this candle here on GameStop at 277. That is insane. Let's see that push to 280. Thank you so much, Mark. So we're gonna thank you in the chat, guys. This is literally for you guys. We might be giving away a PS5, by the way. PS5 giveaway. There's 280. Let's go. Let's go, baby. AMC's moving 1040. No, gift cards are not only for mods. Ferrari possible going into partnership with Apple. Is that true? Yeah, we saw 280 here slightly, but we're still seeing that resistance here. We look at the 1 hour. There was some slight resistance on that bounce yesterday after that initial pullback on the halt. So let's wait and see. So it looks like we're testing EMA here on AMC as expected. As for GameStop, we spiked to 280, but I'm not liking this pullback. Again, we're still above EMA, guys. We're still above EMA. Let's see how strong that bounce can be off 273 on GameStop. What combination of EMA SM are you using? I'm using the AEMA and SMA 20. I'm using the EMA at 13. The 13 EMA, and my SMA is set at 200. Jan Sanchez, into investing in new here. Welcome. Welcome, Jen. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the stream. For those of you that are new here watching, welcome. We live stream every single day, Monday through Friday at Power Hour and Market Open. So usually we stream for 1 more hour here and then we come back Power Hour. So if you guys want technical analysis, live news updates, hit that subscribe button, baby. Ruben, welcome. Good morning. He says he woke up late, but I made it. Welcome. Alrighty, here comes the test on GameStop, guys. Here comes the test. Is that history legacy going to continue? The EMA hold. Come on. Yesterday we held that EMA for so long. That strength was there. As of now, we're still green on the day. It's testing 275. Come on, don't pull back. AMC's fighting there as well. Give it some time. Give it some time. It's looking slightly toppy here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. On GameStop, it's fighting at 275. It still has that bounce potential here. It's so close to that resistance here at 280s. I think once we break past that resistance here at 280s, we can easily see 300 again. So first, let's get focused on breaking 280s. But as of now, we're still testing here at 275. It's fighting. It's fighting. Greetings from Finland. Welcome. We're worldwide, baby. Oh, looks like it's cracking, guys. It looks like it's not gonna hold above EMA. It was looking a little toppy there, but now let's try to hold the 270 level. This would be a pretty decent level to bounce off of. All right, 272. Yeah, a close above 250s today on GameStop. It's pretty decent. It's a win, guys. If we're not going to be pushing past to new highs or breaking past that resistance, let's at least not pull back and drop. That's the thing we do not want to see. That'll scare a lot of people away. So consolidation like we've seen before in GameStop, before we had that massive push at 300, that'll be perfect here. Very true. Yeah, staircase. That's our key here again. This was literally we were talking about last week. Staircase, staircase, staircase. Little by little, we're chipping at it away. We're moving up. That's what we want. Basically, we're at that same point. Keep in mind, guys, GameStop is still at 270. We're not that far away. We're not that far away, guys. AMC back at 237. You'd love to see it. We're still there as well. We've broken past that downtrend on the 1 minute here. So let's find some support there. What's the volume on AMC, guys, as of now? All right, there's that second pullback at 270. How's my 5 minute EMA looking? 5 minute EMA is at 266. $36 million. So it looks like we're trying to bounce off 271, slightly above that 270 resistance we had earlier. That's a dub. That's a dub. Now let's see a stronger push to 276. We're waiting for that bounce, guys. Patiently waiting for that bounce on both stocks here at 273 for GameStop and 1035. 1037 now for AMC. Let's wait. Let's wait. We're back. 1040s. Come on. Let's go to 1050s on AMC. Let's have that reversal. Look at this volume and this volatility on this candle here at 275. 1040s again. We have slight resistance here at 1040s. Slight resistance here at 1040s. There we go. We broke out. 1042. Yes, baby. How's the 5 minute looking like? The next level of resistance is obviously going to be 1050s on AMC. 1042. Okay, we're slowly moving. 44. Small resistance again at 45. It's like every 5 cents we have that small wall. I think we could break past it. Let's see. Again, 45. It's testing. GameStop still trying to hold EMA here at 274. Patience, patience. There it is again, testing 1045 one more time. Slowly chipping away at the ask. I think it could break out past 1045. There we go. 1046. We broke out. Next level of resistance is obviously going to be 1050s. Let's go, baby. Oh, yes. Yes, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We're moving. 1055. We got the W pattern, the Wumbo forming right here. Look at this. Come on, GameStop. It's your turn. Come on, GameStop. Don't do this to us. It still has that uptrend, guys. GameStop does still have that uptrend, but it looks like we're coming down slightly to test that 272 support. The study of Wumbo. Bull pennant on GME. If you zoom out here on the 1 minute, it's such a choppy pattern, honestly, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but I could kind of see that resistance here at 280s being very apparent. So we have that ascending triangle. Give it time, let it unfold on us. I could pull back to like 267, 270, find that higher level of support before we see that next breakout. So we're still in there. We're still in the game. They hit us down, but we're right back up, baby. I keep refreshing Fintel, guys, and there's still no update. Update us. Update me. Last update was... It's still loading. I think we might have got an update. Let me see. For GameStop, the last update was 37 minutes ago with 850,000 short shares available, and the fee, if I'm not mistaken, is 1.90. For AMC as well, it's at 4.9 million, guys. Short shares available according to Fintel, with the fee of 6.98 as of yesterday. Let's check how futures are doing. Oh my gosh, futures just ripped out of nowhere. Tesla's probably gonna rip too. Come on, GameStop. How's the market? Take a look. I don't think this has updated yet. Yeah, we covered the Roaring Kitty tweet. So there we go, testing that support line here on GameStop. It was looking slightly toppy at 270. Don't break that trend line. Don't break that trend line. It's fighting at 267. Bounce, baby. AMC's bouncing off the SMA at 1047. Oh my gosh, guys. GameStop is bouncing off our trend line. Don't come down. Maintain these higher lows. How do you get that screen? This is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. How many short shares on AMC were available this morning? I'll show you right now. There it is, as of 10 hours ago. Notice how it bounced right off of the trend line we got here. That's insane. That's insane. So now we got to see how strong is that bounce at 270. I would hate to see another red candle. It has to hold here, guys. If not, we're literally going to be again in consolidation range. If we come down under 268, we're going to be at the range here at 260s. Again, not bad if we trade sideways and consolidate, but I would much rather have these higher lows here heading into power hour, especially midday with these short attacks we've been having. It's kind of scary. 1068, don't break. It's cracking, guys. It's cracking slightly. We're back at this consolidation range. And AMC is following as well. White House may propose clean energy tax credits. That's good for Tesla. It's gonna rip definitely. I should have held. Tesla's ripping, huh? Damn, that news. Yep, damn, I should have held. This always happens when I sell Tesla. It just rips up. Oh, that's called the Biden pump right there. Damn it, Biden. This always happens to me on Tesla. 1044 AMC, we're still hanging in there, baby. Push back to 1050s. GameStop back above our trend line. It has not given up at 269.69. Literally, look at the price. It froze there for a second. What did Biden do? The EV credit. I think it's like $7,500 EV credit. Yeah, there's gonna be walls on AMC like at every 5 cents. That's ridiculous. So we're still fighting here at 269 for GameStop, guys. That's a pretty decent level to be fighting at for some support. But again, I'm not convinced that this is support yet. We need some time. Show us a pushback to 270. Then we can be convinced. Still at 269. Show us 270. Show us that push. Show us you're still holding that ascending triangle you're forming. There we go. 270. Don't get rejected at EMA. We need this candle to close above 270, guys. Right around 272 would be amazing. There we go. Close there, though. Close above EMA. Don't come down under. All right, still struggling slightly there at 271 EMA. Is it going to close above or not? AMC still hanging there at EMA. Guys, we need a stronger push on AMC. Alrighty. Gamestop 272. We did close above EMA. Let's see a stronger push now back up to like the 274 range. Come on. I know it's possible. Stimulus is out soon. A lot of stocks will see a big pump. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow we have that stimulus pump. Stimmy pump. There's trolls here, Alex. I don't know. That's what I thought too, Tasha. I thought the boom was gonna be tomorrow. That's why I sold Tesla. I expected a drop, but that's not what we saw. It's not what we're apparently seeing. Yeah, I don't know what trolls you guys are talking about. Alrighty, guys. GameStop is still fighting at EMA here at 270. So we still have the uptrend. Again, be patient. Let this thing unfold. Let's see what we got. Hopefully, we see a push up to 274. That's what we want. A push to 274 right now. Convince us that it's still here. The pattern is still forming. AMC is still trying to push to 242. Let's retest that 245 resistance. It seems like every 5 cents we have some resistance there. Yeah, EMA's exponential moving average. That's the price we want. 274. I'll be back, guys. Little restroom run. This is about to break past 274, so let's see it. Chair, do your chair pump. We got the chair pump coming. Chair can't trade, guys. We saw rejection here at what? 273. We're pulling back 268. Once again, testing the 267 level. AMC still at 240. Do we have that trend line still here? Yes, the trend line is still in play. It's still fighting at the same price we wanted here at 269. So Patience, patience. So it looks like a double bottom crack here at 267. Let's remove this trend line really quick. Remove this. 5 minute. What are we looking like on the 5 minute? 5 minute, we're coming down under EMA slightly. I hate to see this. We're so close to a new high here. We were so close to breaking out, guys. So right now, let's see where we bounce off of. All right, guys, that candle's looking pretty bullish here at 268. Looks like we do not want to pull back. AMC did pull back as GameStop pulled back. So if GameStop sees that bounce back to 270s, hopefully we can see that bounce here on AMC back to 240s. I'm curious to see how strong Tesla pushed. Pulling back now. Do you only look at 1 minute and 5 minute? No, I also like zooming out, looking at the 15-minute chart as well. You get a clearer picture of where we're going. Guys, look at this breakout here we had at 120. We struggled here at 120 on GameStop, but slowly but surely, again, the staircase was the big deal here. But these last couple of days here on Wednesday and Thursday were the make or break. We held at 115. I was honestly worried that it might come down. It might have been a failed breakout, but we did have that end of day push here to like 153 where we broke out past the ascending triangle. Ever since then, we've pushed up, gapped up, and of course, yesterday we had that massive manipulation headed into midday. It was not good. We pulled back. We're still bouncing out 235. We're at 266 right now, so we're pretty much there at these, not so far from that resistance here at 280. So hopefully by power hour later on today, if we hold some support here and we don't get any more manipulation, we can see a push back up to 280s. Uh, the support line you have on AMC connects with the 1065 resistance level right before power hour on AMC. I don't have a resistance line drawn here, I think. I think you mean support line. Guys, we're still pulling back on GameStop. I don't know if AMC is going to follow GameStop here on this pullback down to 263, but if it does, we might retest 1020s. Let's see. Forgot to put on my financial advisor glasses. Just kidding, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Gift card time. Break the tension. Gift card time is during power hour, guys. Oh, alrighty. We're bouncing off 261. Better than bouncing off 258, right? Let's see it. Let's see that strong bounce. Bounce off VWAP. Did the SPY just hit a record high? Oh my gosh, SPY, you stimmy pump. This is what I was kind of expecting. I was expecting Nasdaq to hit a new high. I was expecting Nasdaq to rip, like ridiculously rip back to the highs. That's not what we saw, but I'll take this pump here. SPY's the one that actually just ripped insane. Damn. Is the SEC on leave of absence while this manipulation is going on? I think for the next congressional hearing, guys, we have on the 17th of March, which is not too far away, they are going to be present there. So I'm excited to see how that goes. Robert Booking, how does the gift card giveaway work? All you have to do is comment like on the last video. That's it. So I could use the YouTube generator or the gift card generator, whatever, and they could just pick a random comment. That's easier because a lot of people don't have Twitter. Usually I just do it on Twitter, but a lot of people don't have Twitter. So it just makes it easier since we're all on YouTube here. So I'll pin that video right now, right here, just for you guys. Damn, that this SPY is ripping. Sign the damn stimmy, Biden. Give us that push. Come on, GameStop. GameStop is still there, guys. We're still holding. Stonk is not dead. Tesla is still on option channel. 1 minute MACD is bearish, but 5 minute is still bullish. Yeah, Tesla is still moving, guys. It's still green on the day on the 15 minute. I don't know about this gap up though. I don't know how I feel about that. But ever since we have that gap up here on Tuesday, we have yet to close that. So I don't think we'll pull back down at 670 to close that. Unfortunately for me, obviously I want cheaper shares. I want to get in cheaper, but I don't know if we're gonna come on down again. Yeah, Twitter is whacked on it. Yeah, a lot of people don't have Twitter, so it's better to do it just here on YouTube. Yeah, AMC is consolidating. All right, we're seeing some slight momentum here on AMC at 1034. I'd love to see a pushback at this range here, 1040s. I'd love to see consolidation at 1040s. Let's shy away. Shy away from that support line here at 1025. Let's go to 1040s. Someone have the volume on GME? GameStop is seeing some rejection, guys, at EMA. Hmm. Larry says 15 mil. Yeah, Tesla's gonna have some resistance right around 700. Alrighty, again, 1035 on AMC. Let's push back to 1040s. Let's trade at that range of 1040, 1050 today, especially headed into midday. 1067. Let's go. We're testing that lower high resistance here. 1037 on AMC. Looks like we might come back up to 1040. So pretty good action going on right now. Yeah, lunch is coming up. Oh, AMC just saw a spike here to 1047. Market makers, you're watching this. I know you are. We love you. Come on, market makers. Show us 270 on GameStop. Let's slowly creep it back up, baby. Still seeing rejection here at EMA, guys, for GameStop. It's fighting there. Give it time. It's fighting. It's fighting at 267. Same price we were fighting at earlier at 269. It's still there. Come on. 268. Pushes to 70. Break past that resistance. Why is it struggling here? It's so close, guys. It's so close here at 268. AMC bouncing off EMA. I love AMC's price action going on here, guys. I love AMC's action. We're back at 1040. GameStop, buddy. It's your turn. Break past 268. Why is it struggling at 268? No. Damn, man. Let's check Finto. See what Finto will update. Oh, they did update. It went up. It went down actually 100K. So as of now, literally right now, 4.8 mil. The fee is still 6.98 for AMC. Let's check GameStop. Last update was an hour ago for GameStop. 850K with the fee of 1.90. GameStop rejected guys at EMA. This is not necessarily the best pattern forming on GameStop, but we're still in the game. We are still in here. We have that lower resistance here, lower highs, but we still have some decent support right around 262. The only thing I'm scared of is another attack here midday. Yeah, we're so close to 420 likes. Can we hit 420 likes? Oh, damn, another red candle. GameStop is not bouncing yet. I'm loving the action here on AMC, the pattern forming on AMC way more than GameStop. There might be a slight double bottom here at 262. Yeah, NQ's ripping strong. Um, yeah, hopefully we keep the 260 support. Yeah, Joe, I agree with you. Looks like we have some support here at 260s. We've been talking about the support level. We double bottomed here at 261. It's slightly bouncing at 265. Again, I've been more convinced of a rebound of another test to these highs at 280, that resistance there, if we have a push here in a couple hours to like 270, or maybe even the next hour or so. What's up, Gilbert? What's up? What's up? So we're still there at 264. Can we see a move up? We've been getting rejected, guys. We've been getting rejected at the blue line, at the EMA. Patience, patience. We're 5 likes away from 420. That's always our daily goal. We're part of history. Yup. I don't like this. I do not like this double bottom here, guys. The next level of support, if we do crack 260s, it's going to be the $258 mark. I'm going to plug in our Discord, guys, because we might end the stream in 30 minutes. So you guys could find me there before Power Hour. But of course, like always, we'll be back Power Hour. Usually at this time of day, things are a little flat. Unlike yesterday, we were massively pumping. We were roaring. It was insane. But hopefully Power Hour treats as well today. Consolidation isn't a bad thing for AMC, is it? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Tesla's getting grumpy again. What's Tesla at? Tesla is at 693. I don't think it's getting grumpy. It's pretty much holding the highs here at 690. Still has some resistance at 700, so be very patient. So of course, I'm waiting for it to pull back, but hopefully it does push up for you. Tesla, GameStop is still there at 262. We're still pretty much testing and fighting EMA. We're still testing there, baby. 265. Let's see a push up. Like I said, convince us, GameStop, that you're alive, of a reversal, potentially testing the 280s by pushing up to 270 first and foremost. Come on. Show us that push. I would say the volume is relatively low. I'd say the momentum on it is relatively low. We're not seeing aggressive pushes like we were yesterday, obviously. And again, GameStop does affect a lot that happens on AMC. Oh gosh, GameStop is back down to 263, guys. We're double bottoming here at 260s. It's not good. Like I said, the next level of support is right around the 260 level. SOS. Some mods in our chat brought up SOS. Some due diligence said the company was fraud. So I don't know. I need to do some more research on that. But did anybody else hear about that? The fraud going on with SOS? Guys, this is not the best pattern, I'm not gonna lie. This pattern here is not looking the best. What do you guys see? I see a descending triangle. If it does crack down, it might come to 260s. I do not like this at all. Business Wire has an article out talking SOS being a fraud. Oh my gosh, GameStop, come on. There's a slight chance of a reversal here. It'll be very, very rare. Odds are stacked against us here on this pattern. But if it can pull off a reversal and spike to 270, huge win for us. Come on. I have hope. AMC's still hanging in there, guys. Oh my gosh, it's still there. It's not letting go. AMC spiking 1038. Let's hop back into 1040s. GameStop, show us reversal. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. It's above SMA, under EMA, so we're still struggling slightly here at the EMA on the 1 minute and 5 minute. So this might be one of the last chances we get to see a reversal on the push here to 268, 270s. Let's see. And they bought mining rigs from a fake company. Yeah, we were trying to find the address and we weren't able to find any physical location that existed for those rigs. The SOS HQ listing is next to the hotel. I appreciate you, Island. Come on, GameStop. Damn it, man. It's so slow, guys. We're not seeing a ton of momentum as we were yesterday, but it's still hanging in there. The odds are stacked against us. If it does pull back again, don't be surprised. There it is. I'm not surprised. These patterns, man, they don't lie on the way up or down. There's 259. Where's the next level of support? It'd be right around 258. 258. It's testing. It's testing. SMA's at 257. Let's bounce. Hopefully it does not affect AMC. Let AMC detach here for a second. Catch yourself, baby. Catch yourself. GameStop at 258. We need to bounce, guys. We need to bounce. The last time this happened here, midday, we had a failed breakout. It dropped all the way down to like, what was it, like 101? And then we had the massive V recovery headed into power hour. So if it does pull back, I would love to see a recovery headed into power hour. But as of now, it looks like it's bouncing here at 260s. It might push up again to 263 to test that EMA one more time. So let's see it bounce. There is still no sign of a reversal here yet. No sign yet. We're still finding some support. All right, 258, still pulling back. It's trying to bounce here aggressively at 268, which happens to be the support earlier. So it's trying to bounce off of there. Let's see. It has to bounce there because the next level of support is going to be the half dollar at 250, and people set their stop losses at 250, so it could get real ugly there. Ralph Trade super merger. All right, it's trying to bounce three. It's what is it? Five consecutive red candles. Show us a green. Show me them green crayons. Let's have a bounce to EMA 262. Test it one more time. Once we close above EMA and we have those higher lows, then we could say the reversal is there. But as of now, we still have not seen that yet. Who's setting stop losses at 250? A lot of people, just like yesterday, guys. Yesterday, people set their stop losses at 300. After that, it gets ugly, especially with these halts. A lot of panic selling. Oh, it's cracking. 257. Come on, hold yourself. I agree, Joel. And one thing I'm afraid is of another halt. You could kind of see how this pullback here on GameStop is slightly affecting AMC. We had that push here to 1038, but it's pulling back to 1027. So pretty much still tied together on the stocks on AMC and GameStop. Alrighty, there's my green crayon, baby. That's the green crayon I'm looking for. Like I said, it might shoot up to 261 here. It might spike. It might test that resistance we've been having. Hopefully, we have confirmation of a reversal coming in the next hour. But as of now, we're waiting for a bounce. Raw for president? Absolutely not. No bounce. Yeah, are you kidding me? There's that pullback on AMC. The stocks are pretty much still tied together, guys. If I was president, I would get kicked out, guys, for pumping stocks. 253. Alrighty, we're so close to that 250. We have yet to see a bounce on the 5 minute. I'm pretty sure we're oversold under EMA. EMA on the 5 minute at 263. On the 1 minute, it's at 260. So I'm still waiting for that bounce. One thing I'm afraid of is a halt if we reach 250s. And watch AMC. This might also pull back since GameStop's pulling back. Damn it. I hate the midday on the way down like this. It's very aggressive. Yeah, what's the 10-year at? Someone have the 10-year? Like 1.5 what? On the bright side, AMC is not pulling back as aggressive as GameStop is. So that's a good sign. And immediately, look, it starts to bounce immediately. Something GameStop is struggling to do right now at 253. Look at that bounce here on AMC to 1029 on the EMA. It's testing EMA. GameStop has yet to test the 1 minute EMA. Alrighty, show me hope. Show a sign of a bounce. Just as aggressively as we pull back, as we have yesterday on the pushes up, we had these aggressive pullbacks. So hopefully right now we can see an aggressive push to EMA at 259. That's what we need here. I did GameStop and SLGG merger. Also, GMBL was in play. That was also a potential play. But guess who put the price target at $50? Citadel. Citadel put a price target at $50 on GMBL. Potential buyout by GameStop. Were the 10 years at 1.56? Oh, don't come down to 250. I saw a price target of $1 on AMC yesterday. Who even does that? It wasn't even $1. It was a penny. It was a cent. His name was Richard Greenfield, I think. Richard Greenfield. I guess that guy must have been down a lot or something. But like a penny? Are you kidding me? There's that bounce, baby. That's what we need. We need that bounce. There's the green crayon we're looking for. Again, let's not get excited. We still have that descending formation here. We're still pretty much downtrending here on the 1 minute. Obviously, if you zoom out, we're uptrending, but we're focused here on the 1 minute at 256. That still puts us under EMA. We have yet to even test EMA, something AMC is doing as of now, testing EMA here at 1028. I'm a little shocked. It did not pull back a little stronger, but that's good for us. We're still consolidating. We're still green on the day on AMC, red on GameStop. Yeah, his name was Richard Greenfield, right? I want what he was taking. All right, we're close to EMA. We're close. Testing that bad boy. Oh, cannot afford to pull back. Cannot afford to pull back. All right, we're testing. We're testing. Yeah, Kyle, I agree. He must have been down like he might have not had to play, might have got paid. I don't know, but I think he must have been down a lot. There's a saying that goes that desperate times lead to desperate measures. So I think desperate times in this case led to desperate thoughts and ideas, desperate sayings. So maybe who's spamming, guys? 250, no spam, please. 259. We're testing here. AMC is above EMA. AMC is pretty strong still, guys. I'm really surprised. I'm really happy for it. We're still at this range here at 1020 support, 1056 resistance. So, like I said, that's a win for me. Consolidating on AMC is a huge win. Something GameStop is pretty much struggling to do as we pull back here. So let's push to 262, test that resistance, test that trend line. Let's draw this out here to the right. That's the trend line we're looking for to break out. Let me see. I'll find that article right now. Richard Greenfield, AMC. Look at Market Watch, man. How they title this? AMC's a screaming sell, and it's only worth 1 cent. All right, we're above EMA, guys. Testing that resistance. Someone said this might be a reversal. Not quite yet, guys. Not necessarily yet. The reversal will be confirmed if GME pushes to like 265. But remember, for a reversal to occur, what do we need to have? We need to have some support. So we still have yet to find some support. We're still trying to find some support here at 260s. We're back at 260s. We bounced off what 253, so close to 250. I would hate a double bottom there again. So not yet, not yet. All right, there's a slight aggressive pullback here on AMC again at 1024. It's very opposite right now of what's going on. We pulled back on GameStop and AMC shot up. As we're pushing here on GameStop, AMC's pulling back. Very weird. I kind of like this candle here at 261. So still no clear sign of reversal. Let's push back to 264 again. Support levels is key here. So far, we're not doing too bad on the day for GME. I wanted GameStop to close above 250. We're at 259. We still got a long trading day. We still got power hour. We got Tom Brady later. The fourth quarter. You guys know who was here yesterday, power hour. Check out OCGN. OCGN, you guys said it was halted, right? This is nuts. I am not touching this. No Tom Brady. Alrighty, GameStop. Yes, baby. We're breaking past that resistance, 265. Does not give up that easy. GameStop does not give up that easy. So again, we're kind of breaking past that trend line here. We're testing EMA on the 5 minute. Show us a push to 267. That's the push we need to see here. So if we do pull back again, support levels are crucial for GameStop headed into the midday. Yeah, we are getting into lunchtime. Spooky time, spooky time. Oh yes, it's CB. Your gift card. Did you reach out to me on what? On Twitter or on Instagram? I'll do this right now as we end the stream. So we're gonna probably end the stream now. It's CB. Did you DM me on Instagram or Twitter? I need to check. Guys, you guys have been destroying my social medias. You guys have been DMing me like crazy. Super blessed, super grateful for all of you guys, but my mind's all over the place, guys. Oh, sorry about that. Not Tom Brady. No, that drop yesterday was not us selling Walter. Absolutely not. No, I don't think people are day trading AMC as much, guys. There's a lot of people still holding. Remember the article Robinhood put out, or I forgot who put out that it was the most held stock on Robinhood. Tesla's dropping. Don't get me excited. No, it's still too high for me. And it keeps pulling back. All right, GameStop is slowly creeping there. Should we day trade this bad boy? I'm still waiting for your reply. It's CB. I don't have MySpace. I think I do, but it got lost in history. Oh yeah, yesterday the day traders were on GameStop like crazy. All right, AMC's back to test 1020s, guys. If we do pull back under 1020s, at least 1015 is the next level of support. Like we've seen resistance every 5 cents or so. Same thing is true for support. So we'll see what price level we hold. Here comes a slight pullback on GameStop. If we do have a reversal forming here, let's hold the 260s, maybe even 258 level. 260s or 258 for that reversal. I DM you on IG and Messenger. Okay, I'll get back to you right now on IG. Guys, we're gonna end the stream here. Of course, like always, we'll be back power hour. So if you do want to tune into that, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. You get alerted when we go live. But for now, I leave you guys with this potential reversal here on GameStop. We leave at a very crucial moment here on GameStop. 260s, 258. Where are we going to bounce? Hopefully, when we come back, we're right around 270s. Let's see that range here when we come back. Let's put the alert here. 270s. Let's place our alert for AMC right under 1050. It's not bad. To remove this drawing really quick. Set our alerts. Who's coming back power hour? No problem, Joel. Thank you for tuning in. I'll get back to you on the gift card for HCB on Instagram right now. I just can't go on Instagram because I'm using my phone for my camera because I'm a boomer. I don't know how to connect my Canon. All right, GameStop, I see you back at 262. Looks promising. Looks promising. All right. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll be back in a couple hours. See you power hour. Oh my gosh, GameStop does not want me to leave like always. This might be the reversal here. 5 minutes looking promising. I appreciate that, Tony. I'll see you guys later. Oh gosh, 266. It does not want me to leave, guys. You guys want all day streams, eh? Uh, all right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. We'll leave this here. So hopefully it reverses and we're back at 270. I'll see you guys. Peace out.